Okay, we're in it again. Dodge Ram 1500. As you can tell, the motor is about to come out. Oh yeah, it's gonna fit. It's gonna come out in probably the next half hour. But yeah, we're gonna take off a lot of things. Messy, messy, messy. Nice hood. Right. Got this one prepped. That's what that motor's going into. So yeah, hopefully this one comes apart as easy as the other one did. Well, you guys ready? See, this is how you do it. Tow strap to a truck, pull the body out, leave the motor where it sits. But I'll give you guys updates. Peace out.